Hello everyone, I'm Fred from Gestisoft, and today I'm gonna present you my favorite functionality in Dynamics 365, the pipeline view. It's a functionality that did appear a few years back, but most Dynamics 365, if they were not implemented after that date, it's not activated by default. And there's a few steps that need to be done to have the pipeline views in your CRM. First of all, if you want to verify if you've got access to pipeline views, you can easily go within your CRM. You can select the option Show As, and you should see pipeline view available right there. If it's not, then I'll show you the step in the admin that needs to be done to have access to the pipeline view. Let's click that just for the fun. Why I do love pipeline view is to have a quick visibility on the pipeline value, the number of deals in the pipeline, the one amount, and all the information is at one glance, and I don't need to click and to do sums and everything, so I can easily access to all that information like really fast, and that's why I love that view within my CRM. Either from a salesperson or from a sales manager is one of the best view that exists. Okay, so if you don't have access to pipeline view, how can you add pipeline view into Dynamics 365? You'll need to have a system admin or someone that can modify Dynamics 365. I will not show the more standard way of how to do it with creating a solution and editing like a default view, but I'll start by simply just showing what needs to be done. If your admin is not comfortable to edit Dynamics 365, just send us a message and we'll be pleased to help you out. So first of all, you'll need to go into make.powerapps.com. Within the environment here, I'm within my demo environment. Normally I would go through creating a solution before editing the solution like that, but I'll start more the easy way. So I'll go within tables. I'll make sure that I've got access to all the table because I want to have access to the default one. I'll look for opportunity within that list because I want to activate pipeline view within the opportunity. And you can see the standard tables within Dynamics 365 should be marked as standard. And normally they don't have a small acronym before, so you can see MSN, FP, or anything like that. Opportunity should be written opportunity as the name, so it's quite easy to find. The second step, I go within the table. I'll go within my views. I'll select the view I want to activate, the pipeline view. I'll go in the specific view. It's just gonna take some time. And you can see at the top left corner, you've got that option called components, and you'll click to components and you'll see there is an option to add components. It's gonna take some time to look what's the existing option that exists that I can add, and if you don't see pipeline view there, you can click at the bottom get more component. It's just gonna take some time. Once all the different components that appears, I'll be able to easily look for them. I'll search for pipeline view. I'll select add pipeline view. Then I don't need to modify anything. Everything is preset by default, but I'll be able to customize it later on if I need to. I'll save. You can see now there is the subgrid, and I now have the beautiful pipeline view available. I'll save my view, and then I can easily click save and publish, and then everything's gonna be available within my CRM. I'll be able to get access to all that information. Normally it's gonna take some time, but you'll be able to find the pipeline view within the show as option. What you can do with pipeline view, so there is the deal tracker that's going to use the BPF, so the business process flow, and you're going to classify the different probability to win the opportunity with the BPF. Then you can customize also the information that you want to present in that graph. You can select here on top right corner the option edit metrics. So if, as an example, you want to have more information, more details, other metrics, you can simply add the metrics there. Then you've got also the possibility to see the information through the sales funnel. This way you'll have a better visibility on what's the different current situation of my forecasting with my current opportunities. And if I fill the information, let's show you guys on all in progress. If I filter the information, it's gonna filter my view by default. Now you can see I don't have my historical data, I just got my future opportunity. Thank you so much for listening. Have a good day.